Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad Fahmi Hakim, and today I will present about my industrial training at Wistron Technology Malaysia, Sdn Bhd. And my industry supervisor is Mr. Asin bin Sahirul. My faculty supervisor is Encik CS Muhammad Zaidan bin Abdul Manaf. So, I will explain about a company profile. Wistron is a major supplier of information and communication equipment across the world. They has multiplied worldwide logistic and distribution operation based in Asia, Europe, and North America. Western products include like laptop, desktop, server, storage, LCD TV, portable device, and medical device. For the mission, it states sustainability through innovation, and the vision for the Western is trusted innovation partner for technology, sustainability, and better life. Next, here show about Malaysia plan and department. You can see the organization chart for the Malaysia plan wide. And right now, I am under PCBA department, and the three section under it is called SMT, DIP, and warehouse. Next, the area of focus in SMT, or the full name of SMT is Surface Mount Technology, and is a method in which the electrical components are mounted directly onto the surface of PCB. An electrical component mounted in this manner is referred to as surface mount device. An SMT component is usually smaller than its true hole counterpart because it has either smaller lead or no lead at all. It may have short pin or lead of various style, flat, contact, and method of solder ball, or termination on the body of the component. And the next point is PCB or PC board or printed circuit board. It's a non-conductive material with conductive line, printed or etc. Electronic components are mounted on the board, and the trace connect the component together to form a working circuit or assembly. Here is the flow for the MCNT. As you can see, firstly at the loader, go to the glue dispenser and component placement machine, or we call MPM. And then we have inspection system, and they go to the reflow oven and I'll unload at the end of the process. You can see the detail on the bottom side is state what they do in the loader, glue dispenser, component placement, inspection, reflow, and unloaded. For next, the second section is D, what we call dual inline production. It's a process after SMT and starting at router and ending with store in. This section specifically for checking the PCB interface, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi or sensor by going through tester machine. There's some part that must manually put for each PCB, such as LED, shading or barcode. But for certain PCB, process hand or wave soldering, underfill, glue dispenser, and report faulty of PCB are under this section. This section is divided by two products, that is Maple and Zara. Both of it have different process flow, and Zara is a bit complicated than Maple. And the next point is the MO can be checked at MIC website. MO is a material order for each PC board. Also, we can check the part number, series number, etc. in the MIC website of the MO PCB. It can be found on the website if there are a problem about PCB loose or something technical issue happen. The type of station in deep, we have about 5. Firstly, tester, mostly focus on test connector interface, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection, or check common defect on PCB. Next is router. After SMT already done with the PCB, after they mounted component on the PCB, the board will be cut in this station by using the machine Auratech or ST30W that be programmed by PSE. Next, we have a wave soldering station. It's particularly suitable for components that cannot undergo reflow soldering due to their size, shape or heat sensitivity. Next is inspection and packing. From here, the session is only work for do label the PCB or direct key in data by scan the label after complete inspection. Store in is keep the complete PCB in a mold or transfer it to the final assembly. Next, our last section is warehouse. Warehouse is a place keeping all the material for SMT component. The process in which the material order will be released from production control or the shortlist PC to the point area and send the checklist data to preparation session. All the material being prepared, scanned and put on waiting for online area to be carried out by AGV device to each lane respectively. Next is another point for the warehouse is tracking material list identification or ID, date when the order finish, assemble or start, or how many components need. That we can checking the data if the machine result have detect any error or difference, which means there's something to change the program or data for material. And the type of station in warehouse is point area. As I say before, is for checking material list ID, the date, how many, when to start, and in checking the data if the machine result, if they key in the data and the machine occur a result that detect any error or difference, which means there's something to change in the program or data for material, and we contact the PSE. And laser marker next station, just a mark a PCB with 2D barcode. Copy room is a maintain program on first model IC, such as key in specific data into it and print out a specific model barcode that been done separately from laser marking. And the next station is RLC measurement. Mostly this is job for the feeder, counting the return material by using RMI X-ray, and we must key in the data and print the new label for the new quantity. Pre-warning session is the most busy in the warehouse because after the person in charge for master list already done key in the data we send to preparation station, and the material being provided for feeder in SMT. Output material will be scanned and put on waiting for online area for will be carried by the AGV device to each lane. AGV device is for low the human movement, so we're using the a robot or a device to take the material one place to another place without the human interaction. So for the summary of my presentation is the SMT have revolutionized electronic manufacturing with compact design and direct component placement that ensures production speed, reliability, and innovation. And the deep production is a method to ensure quality control, supporting the creation of intricate electronic system. And while efficiency as warehouse management, optimized logistics, serving as strategic asset for smooth operation, timely delivery, and competitive edge. That's all for me. Thank you.